I do take that other, it's for the energy. I still take those. I take probably one every other day.
Which one is that?
Lion Ready.
That's the Lion Ready Multivitamin. And you feel strong,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, that's what I'm saying. See, I take that one because, I work at night. I just woke up. I take that at night, to really zoom around the job. We security. We don't be bothered.
With the Lion Ready, you feel like you're always ready, right? You feel...
That's what I'm saying. I like it because it make me zoom, because I be zooming, man. I'm serious, I be zooming.
When you say zooming, what do you mean?
Energy-wise?
72.
Yeah, Monday, April 21st. Yeah, man, this dude that's coming to hang out with me tomorrow, he said, man, you move like a teenager. And I do, man. I do my little exercises, calisthenics, push-ups, set-ups, that kind of thing. And I'm into positive thinking. I listen to those kind of tapes, subliminal tapes. See, I'm into manifesting. We have a millionaire friend, but he's sick. I'm here. I'm here for the long haul.
Thank you for taking our directions, and thank you for loving yourself.
Thank you. That's right. And I do love myself.
Take care of yourself. And love yourself.
Thanks, Ronnie. Same.
Get yours today at JamaicaHealthBox.com or call us at 9293-140-106. That number again is 929-314-0106. Email us at info@JamaicaHealthBox.com. Introducing Lion Ready Multivitamins. Power up your health. What is a multivitamin? It's your daily insurance for a thriving, energized body. But not all multivitamins are created equal. Lion Ready Multivitamins from Jamaica Health Box are packed with natural herbs and easy-to-take veggie capsules, delivering pure, plant-powered nutrition straight to your system. Some say multivitamins aren't necessary, but let's break it down. Your body is mathematical. If you go years without key nutrients like zinc, vitamin D, or magnesium, your body will demand them later. Without direct sunlight and the right fruits, your system won't generate the nutrients it craves. That's where Lion Ready Multivitamins step in. 100% natural and powerful essential vitamins and minerals for daily health supports, energy, immunity, and vitality. Don't wait until depletion hits. Stay strong, stay ready, Lion Ready. Get yours today, only from Jamaica Health Box. Summary of key ingredients and their benefits: vitamins, vitamin A, beta-carotene, antioxidant, reduces inflammation and oxidative stress. Vitamin C, supports immune, cardiovascular, skin, and digestive health. Vitamin D, enhances immune function, bone health, hormone balance, muscle strength, and mood. Vitamin E, supports immune, cardiovascular, bone, and cognitive health, neutralizes free radicals. Vitamin B1, thiamine, aids energy metabolism, nerve function, and cardiovascular health. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, supports energy production, red blood cell formation, and fat metabolism. Vitamin B3, niacin, promotes cardiovascular health, reduces triglycerides, and increases good cholesterol, HDL. Vitamin B5, boosts energy, cognitive function, and cellular repair. Vitamin B6, regulates blood sugar, immune function, and brain health, acts as an antioxidant. Vitamin B12, supports DNA synthesis, cognitive function, energy, and immune health. Minerals and trace elements, calcium carbonate, strengthens bones, muscles, and cardiovascular function. Zinc, enhances immune function and cognitive health. Magnesium, supports nerve function, heart health, and blood sugar balance. Copper, aids energy metabolism and cholesterol regulation. Selenium, antioxidant, supports thyroid, heart, and brain health. Manganese, supports bone density, blood sugar control, and enzymatic reactions. Molybdenum, aids detoxification and enzyme function. Chromium, improves insulin function and blood sugar regulation. Plant-based antioxidants and herbal extracts. Lutein, promotes vision, immune, and heart health. Lycopene, supports prostate health, heart function, and cancer prevention. Spirulina, reduces cholesterol, inflammation, and blood sugar levels. Golden seal root, aids digestion, has antibacterial properties, and acts as an antioxidant. Echinacea, boosts immune function and fights infections. Garlic, supports heart health, immunity, and reduces inflammation. Green tea extract, potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, supports metabolism. Hawthorn berries, promotes cardiovascular health and cholesterol balance. Cinnamon bark extract, improves insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. Bilberry fruit extract enhances vision, cardiovascular health, and nitric oxide production. Grapeseed extract reduces atherosclerosis and improves vascular function. Pomegranate extract, high in antioxidants, supports prostate, immune, and heart health. This summary highlights the primary benefits of each ingredient for overall wellness, cardiovascular support, immune function, and metabolic health. Don't wait until depletion hits. Stay strong, stay ready, Lion Ready. Get yours today, only from Jamaica Health Box. Lion Ready Performance. Lion Ready Performance is designed to support stamina and boost libido with a powerful blend of natural ingredients including zinc, tonkat ali, maca, and L-arginine. This formula aims to enhance testosterone levels, improve mood, reduce stress, increase muscle mass, and boost overall performance. Key ingredients and benefits: maca root powder boosts libido and enhances sexual desire in both men and women, supports male fertility by increasing sperm count. Tonkat ali naturally increases free testosterone levels, reduces stress, enhances mood, supports sexual health and performance. Saw palmetto promotes prostate and heart health, may help reduce hair loss and symptoms of an enlarged prostate. L-arginine improves blood flow by boosting nitric oxide levels, enhances exercise performance and muscle recovery, supports fat metabolism and helps regulate blood pressure. Panax ginseng enhances energy, endurance, and sexual health, supports brain function and reduces inflammation, helps balance blood pressure levels. Sarsaparilla root, rich in antioxidants to support immunity and skin health, aids in detoxification and inflammation reduction. Pumpkin seed extract supports prostate and urinary tract health, boosts immune function. Muira puama extract enhances sexual vitality and increases blood flow, reduces stress and fatigue. Oat straw supports heart health and antioxidant function. Nettle helps regulate blood sugar and improve urinary health. Cayenne pepper relieves muscle soreness and cramps, boosts metabolism and circulation. Astragalus root strengthens immune function, supports digestive health and blood sugar balance. Licorice root has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Tribulus terrestris enhances sexual health, testosterone levels, and athletic performance, supports cardiovascular and joint health. Boron improves bone strength, muscle function, and hormonal balance. How to use it: take 3 capsules before bedtime for optimal results. Get yours today at Jamaica Health Box.
You can share the starter box, but mostly one person. But everything in the starter box can help you. That are the starter box. But you see, I like let me tell you. Like suppose you want to, so you don't have the money, you want to deal with, have the circulation and the problem. Suppose that's the main problem. You go and you buy the circulation tonic. You see what I mean?
So like the circulation, like how me put them things up and so on, me can say me
Yeah.
buy that
And you
alone.
can
Like
buy
it
the
will help
something
me.
name, you can buy one name the whole body cleanse for
Oh, so
$289. That cleanse the whole of the body. Flush toxin from the kidney, colon, liver, blood, eliminate parasite, harmful bacteria. Me have the one in my house right now. Bloat the boost immunity and then something there. Improve digestive gut health and it pack with essential vitamin, minerals, all of them something there.
why you make them see them?
No, some people where me know about and them know me know me too.
Oh.
No, sir.
Number again is 929-314-0106. Email us at info@jamaicahealthbox.com. Whole body cleanse, 7 to 21 days, the ultimate herbal detox, 40 years of proven results. Your health starts from within. Whole body cleanse is the most powerful full body detox designed to remove toxins, restore vitality, and reset your system. Backed by 40 years of herbal expertise, this formula has changed thousands of lives. Now it's time for yours. What makes whole body cleanse the best? Flushes toxins from the colon, liver, kidneys, and blood, eliminates parasites and harmful bacteria, boosts immunity and energy levels, improves digestion and gut health, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The power of nature in every ingredient. Olive oil, cold-pressed, heart-healthy antioxidants that reduce inflammation, improve cholesterol, and support overall wellness. Olive oil is the greatest source of monounsaturated fat and is considered a natural juice that preserves the taste, aroma, vitamins, and nutrients of the olive fruit. It is the only vegetable oil that can be consumed as it is freshly pressed from the fruit. Studies show that consuming 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil daily for 1 week reduces LDL cholesterol oxidation and increases antioxidant compounds, particularly phenols in the blood. This cold-pressed, cholesterol-free olive oil is in its purest form, ensuring the highest quality for your health. CKLS is created to cleanse and eliminate toxins from the colon, kidneys, liver, spleen, and other organs where waste can accumulate. Unlike other cleanses, it does not cause stomach discomfort. CKLS has been used to help with stress relief, eliminating sluggishness and fatigue, reducing headaches and mucus buildup, flushing out harmful bacteria and parasites, relieving constipation and colon pockets, restoring the mucus lining, and healing the intestines. Ingredients: aloe vera resin, chamomile, cascara sagrada, chaparral, mullein, uva ursi, fenugreek, cayenne, dandelion, eucalyptus. Worms be gone. This powerful formula has been used to eliminate over 100 types of parasites in their eggs. It has also been effective in promoting healing for skin conditions such as poison ivy, ringworm, and other skin disorders. Ingredients: black walnut, wormwood, clove, garlic, hyssop, cayenne. Freedom. This herbal blood purifier is designed to cleanse the bloodstream and promote healing for conditions such as boils, chickenpox, fever blisters. Ingredients: golden seal root, dandelion root, burdock root, yellow dock root, chaparral, capsicum, garlic. 4PG is a unique blend of herbs formulated to provide the body with a complete range of essential vitamins and minerals. Vitamins: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, K, P, T, and U minerals. Aluminum, calcium, chloride, copper, fluorine, iodine, iron, selenium, lithium, manganese, phosphorus, sulfur, potassium, silicon, sodium, and zinc. Trace minerals: boron, bromine, nickel, strontium, and vanadium.
Guys, this is Jamaica Health Box. This is the Never Tired Roots for the stomach, for the nerves. This is good probiotics. You're supposed to drink at least 10 bottles of this every year. Our herbalist, he drinks about this. He drinks a bottle of this probably every 2 days. I drink 4 ounces when I can get it. I drink 4 ounces of this every day. Just like kombucha, but more importantly, this gets rid of the parasites. Dead cannot feed on dead, and this is fermented. If you eat meat, especially whatever you eat, this is what gets rid of it. 3 bottles of this per week, your stomach, things keep flowing. You want to keep the pipes clean. So it's all about fermentation. So this has been in the business for over 50 years, provided by our famous Rastafarians. The important thing of fermentation is that it gets rid of the microfungus. The microfungus can be produced from vegetables also. If you let things rot in the body, it will go in the bloodstream. The microfungus enters the bloodstream, and through microfungus, distributes across the bloodstream, tumors and cancer starts to spread and grow. So with the roots, it kills the microfungus. So it's not matter how healthy you eat, how clean is your body. Now the roots is great for the nerves, for the gut, for the bones. So balanced nerves, and this also works for high blood pressure because it calms the nerves. It's not a booster. And some people use it to replace alcohol. So the Never Tired Roots is not a booster, but it's for female, for children, it's for everyone of all ages. My first program to heal myself from prediabetes was the nerves. I needed to feed the nerves to balance the nerves. And this I poured into the slippery elm with the arrowroot powder with spirulina, ashwagandha, and copper's coconut oil. This can also be added to your shakes. This is Never Tired Roots. One of our best products and heavily used by the Rastafarians for good probiotics. The root of the tree to build the nerves. 50 years, one of the best roots coming out of Jamaica. It won't explode on you. So again, go to Jamaica Health Box, sign the waiting list, check with your doctors. But we highly recommend you reset, rejuvenate, and restore the body with at least 8 bottles of this or 50 or 60 bottles of this, you'll have a total reset of the body and a total cleanse. Take care.
Get yours today at JamaicaHealthBox.com or call us at 9293-140-106. That number again is 9293-140-106.
I was 260 pounds. I was 260 pounds when I met you guys, and you said you had something that could help me. I just went through getting the gallbladder removed, then we hadn't spoken for a while, and then last time you called me once again. You saved the day because I was thinking about doing gastric bypass surgery, and you was like, nope. You was like, don't do that, and you stopped me from doing that. You was like, I have a natural way for you to do it. It was like you told me, you said you just have to be patient. Because with the gastric bypass, that's a fix me right now. But I found out from the doctors that that's dangerous because I have two cousins that I was staying with. Both of them had that done, and both of them are vomiting blood right now. I went from 365 to now 300. That was from most of the herbs that you gave me. What's the one you were saying, the one with the energy?
It was you got the Lion Ready Multivitamin and Performance.
Yep. I was in the gym 7 days, and I was out doing most of the younger guys that was in the gym.
Give you nutrients, not food, and energy, not sugar, and you had all the nutrients.
I did the cleanse. I got all them parasites because you gave me stuff for parasites and worms. My gut felt better. Mentally, I had clairvoyance. You can't get thrown off like you told me, man. When I had that other surgery, you was like, just don't lose the faith. You got to keep it. And sometimes, you're going to get thrown some curveballs in life, man, but you just have to know how to keep standing. You have to weather the storm. Because now I'm back with you, and I'm very excited about the liver, kidney, and the spleen cleanse. I have to purchase that.
Now you have your energy. So you know how to deal with the energy. You have the mindset to go to the gym. You're already changing the diet. So you're on the right path. This is long term. How old are you?
I'll be 58 in March.
Got you down 60 pounds naturally. Once you get the arrowroot powder, some sea moss sometimes, but we teach you start making your own coconut milk if you can get real coconut. The more we teach you, the more you stay with your blender, you're down to 300. Goal now is to take you to 250. Let's take another 50 off the natural way once you get back on your feet.
I dealt with a lot of companies, and a lot of it, I'm not knocking nobody. I don't know how they use their stuff, but to me, it's like, they could do better. A lot of those companies could do better.
We have a waiting list, and we call everyone and talk to them and get to know them. You see, because it's not a product, it's an energy. We're not in the product business, we're in the energy business. We're in the energy business. So 2 hours a day sometimes. My days are filled with just talking to people, whether they buy or not, because in order for us to learn the pain that's in the world, we let them give the pain to us. I contact the herbalist and say, this is the pain that's out. We have our meetings and we say, okay, this guy in New York, he has this job. He's working hard. He's going to always eat meat. How we're going to treat 1,000 people eat meat? Well, how are we going to teach them? We're not going to tell them not to do it. We'll teach them how to do it, right? But we'll teach people how to live their life. We're not going to tell them not to live their life, right? You see what I'm saying? So for most clients who quit smoking and people who stay with us, the first thing we try to do is to get to know them, not just their health issues, because we believe the health starts with the mind.
You guys, the time that you put into people, you guys, man, y'all put so much into people, man, and y'all want everybody to win.
Yes.
It's not about, okay, well, I have this and I have that. But like I told you, I won't say names, but, I gave everybody a chance.
Spiritually, if you stay focused on the information between me and you, nobody else exists. So if nobody else exists, we're in our circle. So spiritually, what we practice is if me and you stay in our circle, we're focused on our village, our issues.
You're right.
And what we try to teach our people is when they say, oh, they did, who's they? I don't know who you're talking about. Who's they?
Yeah, you're right.
Right now, it's just me and you. There's nobody.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So what we do with the mind is to lock off any other energy. Because the brain is a funny thing. Once it starts thinking that something is bad, that energy comes in the circle. So what we do, we keep everything in the circle we're building good.
Okay.
So when we're teaching, we're not saying this is bad for you. We say how to deal with it in the circle, how to live. So we don't preach anything negative in the circle, and we don't see anybody. We don't see a system. We don't see a country. All we see is all that works. This is going to work for you. This is going to work. And so we keep our mind in that space. You see what I'm saying, my bro?
My mobility wasn't that great.
You can now drive longer?
No, I'm not stiffer when I stop. I'm not stiff.
Oh.
Matter of fact, I'm actually I'm feeling so good. Every other morning, I'm actually doing stretches and stuff. I'm feeling better enough to do my stretches like I want to.
Wow. Okay.
And I got one more thing. I got it also between my neuropathy and I had swelling started to come. When I go home, my swelling go down. When I get on this truck, the swelling go up during the week. Guess what? My swelling has went down a lot. When I say a lot, I can see the veins in my feet pretty good now. So between the lymphatic and the fluids, it's done diminished a whole lot.
That circulation tonic, you need a quart bottle of that.
I need that. When I told you I used to be so-called vegan or plant-based probably about 3 or 4 years ago for a year. I know one important thing, you have to stay on the scale. So I'm always on my scale when I go home. Every week, I'm always on the scale before I leave and when I get home and then when I leave. Well, guess what? Since I took your stuff, I have dropped 9 pounds, and every time I go in, I drop 3 to 4 pounds every time I go in now and get on my scale. Between the herbs and the meat, I think the meat is the most important. I let go of that old fat back and all them oxtails and stuff. I've been on a fish and chicken diet since 2012. I never ate beef and pork since 2011-12. I just started eating that oxtail with her.
Well, James, I'm so proud of you.
Yeah. Oh, this is a lifetime thing because I did this before and it was great. Then I fell off the bandwagon. I see where it'll take me. I say I'm going. This guy, I got to make this vegan thing for life. If I want to live a comfortable. You know what I told my friend? They say, you went back vegan. You think you're gonna live? You're gonna outlive us? I told him. Guess what I tell him, Rhonda? I say it's not how long I'm gonna live. It's how comfortable I'm live till I leave. You might. I say you compared to a 70-year-old vegan. A vegan and a non-vegan that eat meat and all kind of stuff. They both could die 70 years apart. But guess what? That last 10 years of that meat eater, he probably going to be in a hospital, can't get in a wheelchair. You see what I mean? I say it's all about the comfort. That's what I'm looking forward to.
You listen to Jamaica Health Box. That's James' happy truck driver. He took the starter box. Now he needs some more circulation tonic. Go to JamaicaHealthBox.com, sign the waiting list, or just get the starter box to get started, or the supersized starter box. Take care of your health.
Greetings to the Wellness family, Heal Thyself family. Calling from Bradenton, or sending this voice message from Bradenton, Florida. My husband and I started on the Yael's package, I think maybe 2 weeks ago now, or a week. We started not this Thursday, but last Thursday. We started with the chocolate, and a week later, we put in the noonie. And we haven't started the whole system yet, but we both feel wonderful. I'm a herbalist. I love my herbs. And I've been on a journey for about 5 to 6 years now. So I've tried numerous other herbalist packages. And this is truly the best. It is the best. So if you haven't started, you have to start. And you have to start with the scan because that lets us know what's going on in our body. So this is a true experience of how we both feel, myself and my husband, and this is it.
Give us a little testimonial.
If you knocked it, any signs of cancer out of the body, it was the D answer. You know, because I've been taking that, you know that, for over a year. You know that, man. Come on, look at your records and you'll see. I've been taking D answer for over a year. I think way ahead. This is how I think. I know I was having problems with the prostate.
Did the answer, do you feel it helps you?
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's all what I'm saying. Remember, I keep telling you, I'm a audit once a month. I'm serious. The letter's right here by my desk. No cancer in your rectum, in your colon, whatever you want to call it. You know, you was on the phone with me, whatever, a week ago, 2 weeks ago. That was my female doctor saying no cancer in your prostate, partner.
You swear by the answer.
Yeah, Ronnie, I would not be saying it, bro. I'm 72 years old Monday. I'm not going to sit on this phone and lie to you like that. No. Remember, I just said it. I'm going to order it once a month. And, of course, you know why I'm ordering it once a month, to fight anything trying to grow. Just like the old people taught us when we was coming up. Prepare for war in time of peace. That's all what I'm doing.
All right, thank you.
I just told a dude before you called, a friend of mine that's coming by tomorrow to visit with me. We're going to hang out and eat and stuff like that and just kick it. He's old like me. I told him just like I'm telling you. I got a juicer now. He's getting a juicer. His buddy got a juicer because of me. And then I said, let's eat these vegetables. Fruit is okay, but let's eat this green and juice this green. Ain't nobody telling you on TV. I just said it. Ain't no movie star. Ain't no big personality coming on, no football player, none of them on TV. Change your diet. Change the way you think. Let's be better individuals and better collectively. Minister Farrakhan, the Nation of Islam, all those people, ministers, have tried and tried and tried. Yet they are effective, but for the most part, we stupid.
When I first met you, what did we do for you? What did we tell you?
You did good. This is what I'm saying. But all I'm saying, my brother, is nobody big is on TV. And you know, you guys are growing, but you're not on TV, you know, espousing this. You know, I see your videos all the time. And of course, you know, talking to you inspire me and all of that to do better, go better. But, you know, this is not on TV.
Get yours today at JamaicaHealthBox.com or call us at 9293-140-106. That number again is 9293-140-106. Email us at info@JamaicaHealthBox.com.
You took the prostate box. Talk about it.
It was amazing. It really was. The difference was just noticeable. It wasn't no delay. It really, within that time period of me taking it, it was a night and day difference.
How long ago did you take it?
I took it probably about 2 months ago. I want to say 2 months ago. I'm telling you. As a matter of fact, I referred a couple people to you. But I know for myself that it's a noticeable night and day. It's like I'm back 20.
Wow.
I'm 52. It's like I'm back in my 20s. Yeah, I just felt that's why I recommended you guys to a couple people. I usually don't hand out recommendations like that. But I said, man, this thing really works. No, the CKLS,
Yes.
that
yes.
one,
Yes.
that stuff is amazing.
Yes.
That
yes.
right there is what started it all.
Yes.
Because it just cleaned you out. And I was like, wow, it just brought me back to my childhood.
Wow.
You know, with that whole, when your mother give you the Cersei
Mhm.
and all of that to drink.
Yes.
I was like, okay. Y'all doing something over there, so it's something good.
So how old are you?
52.
All right. So your wife is happy?
Oh yeah. Well, she's not happy. You know why she's not happy? Because I keep pestering her about something. I keep asking her for something. You know what I mean?
Before our herbs, you didn't pester her that much.
You know what? I just you feel tired because number one, you're going to the bathroom constantly at night. You go to the bathroom constantly at night, and it's like, I'm tired. I'll just wait. Now, I'm ready to go.
And she's like, what's happening? What the heck is going on?
Yeah, yeah. As a matter of fact, I was talking to this guy and his wife. You take that, she's gonna be looking at you like, can't you just wait a couple? Just leave me alone, please. He's telling you. So he's excited about it. As a matter of fact, he ordered it right then and there. I said, man, I'm telling you, this thing works. Because I was getting scared, to be honest. I really don't want to deal with the Western medicine. I'd rather deal with a herbalist, stuff like that. I said, I really don't want to deal with them in their creek. And I'm glad I found you guys, and I see
Yeah.
what is that?
Results.
Just the difference. There's a total difference.
Yes.
Get yours today at JamaicaHealthBox.com or call us at 9293-140-106. That number again is 9293-140-106. Email us at info@JamaicaHealthBox.com.
Yeah. What you have done for me is brought me back to life. The doctors couldn't help me, boys. And I'm glad to have met you. But I'm happy every day. Because remember now, you took me off my sick bed where I couldn't walk. You gave me back strength. You gave me back nutrition. I mean, the medicine you provide for me, boss, was worldwide. You're the doctor of medicine, boss. You need to be in a book. Write all your remedies. The whole world need your help, boss. Just continue doing what you're doing. I'm going to do my best. I've given you a few customers already, and they are pleased with what you have been doing for them. And I just want you to continue striving and getting stronger and getting better. You took me off my sick bed. I couldn't walk. I was in my bed when I spoke to Pinks. And Pinks told me about you. And in about less than 5 days, the medicine was there. And then I called you and asked you the process. You gave me the order in which I should take them. I still have the list here. I've been giving people around, and they have been reaching out to you because what you have been doing, boss, is amazing. I had multiple myeloma in my blood. You gave me the purifier. You gave me the antidoxin, whatever it is. You gave me about 7 different medicines, which I still have the list here, and I'm not going to throw it away. And then I took them in the order that you gave me, and I am strong. Things I couldn't do when I was in my bed, I am doing right now. I'm glad to have met you. You're God sent, boss. The Father, the Creator, sent you here to help me out, boss. And then I say, boss, I can still remember when I went to the doctor. First of all, when he saw me walking, he couldn't believe it. Because he was like, how is this happening so quickly? How is this happening? And then he said to me, Mr. Harrison, what else are you taking? And I look him in his eyes and I said, nope, that's the medicine you gave me. He knew I was lying because he knew his medicine is not that good. His medicine couldn't have done what your medicine did for me. And I want the whole entire world to know about you and why you're a disciple, boss. God of help, God of medicine. And I want it to continue in the very same way. Just keep helping people around, your fellow men. And I hope whomever you help will spread the news, your good news. I'm doing that. And more people will help you more. But, all the society here is certain. I want you to continue doing your good service, but I want you to be very careful. Know who you are dealing with, boss. As I say, I'm happy to have met you. I give Angela thanks. We talk to her so often. And I still give you praises for all that you have done. I still have your list. I not throw it away. I look upon it every now and then. And I say, Papa, I wish I could have go them right here with me. But you're the best. You know what you're doing. Just keep up the good work, Father. The Creator, God bless you, man.
Colon, kidney, liver, spleen cleanse. If you're ready to clean your body but don't have a big budget, this is where you start. Trusted for over 47 years, CKLS is one of the most powerful herbal cleanses to detox your colon, kidneys, liver, and spleen, all for under $100. This formula helps eliminate parasites, worms, mucus buildup, and harmful toxins. It supports digestion, reduces stress and inflammation, and promotes better energy and clarity without harsh cramping or discomfort. CKLS can help with constipation and waste buildup, headaches, sluggishness, and skin issues like eczema, intestinal healing, and mucus lining repair. What's inside? A blend of 10 powerful herbs, aloe vera resin, soothes the gut, boosts immunity, and supports detox. Chamomile calms the body, aids digestion, and reduces inflammation. Cascara sagrada, natural colon cleanser and laxative. Chaparral, liver detox, skin support, and antimicrobial. Malign clears mucus, supports lungs and immune system. Uva ursi cleanses kidneys and bladder, reduces water retention. Fenugreek improves digestion, reduces gas, and supports liver. Cayenne boosts metabolism and improves circulation. Dandelion, liver detox, bile production, and antioxidant-rich. Eucalyptus clears congestion and fights bacteria and viruses. These herbs work together to detox and renew your system from the inside out. Ready to start your cleanse? Visit Jamaica Health Box. Call us, email us, or sign up on our website's waiting list. This is our top recommended formula, CKLS, kidney, liver, and spleen cleanse. 47 years in use all over the world. Get yours today at JamaicaHealthBox.com or call us at 9293-140-106. That number again is 9293-140-106. Email us at info@JamaicaHealthBox.com.
So now we're here with the dandelion. I'm here with the dandelion. Look at this. Eating from Mama Nature. This is what we talk about, live food. This is beautiful. I'm eating like the goat. I'm eating like the cow. I'm not eating the cow. I'm not eating the goat. I go in the sea and I eat the seaweed. I don't eat the fish. I eat what the fish eats. So enough of processed food, man. Look at the seed, the young pod. They're beautiful and this is what I'm talking about, people. See, eating from the fountain of youth. Beautiful. This is Yaya Health. Heal Thyself 101. We're always here bringing you the best. Dandelion. Yes, this is a dandelion. Look at it. It's so beautiful. This is a wild dandelion. This species is a bit different from the other ones in other places, but trust me, it's medicinal. It is medicinal. Look at the little, look at the caps. This is a dandelion, and today we're just gonna cut it right here. We're gonna have some of the seeds because this is how I make the extract. I make the extract with the root, the leaf, the bloom, and the seeds. This is the young seeds, and it's best to catch it at this time where it's potent. It has all the medicinal properties in there. So this is why pharmaceutical couldn't commercialize herbalism, because there's not a lot of people out there with integrity that's gonna wait and be patient to reap herbs and for the medicinal benefit. So when you order herbs from us, tonics, tinctures, tea bags, just be assured you're getting the highest quality at all time. Time is involved. The love is involved. We give thanks to the plants all days, every time before we actually take from it, because it's actually a life that is giving you something. So give thanks to the dandelion. Here you are, folks. Yeah. Heal Thyself 101. Here with you, man, on this journey. So now we have the dandelion root, dandelion leaf, dandelion seed, and the dandelion flower in one place. Now this is what we're gonna use and make a magnificent blood tonic, a magnificent dandelion liquid extract, that you can use to help heal thyself. Talk about the kidney, nourishing the kidney. We are talking about cleaning the blood. We are talking about UTI, the urinary tract. We are talking about the bladder. If you have pain urinating, dandelion. This is food. Heal thyself 101. Yes, here's them there. See there? Looking at the back. Yes, I am. Bingo, though. Yeah, man. Let me say, you have to look good because them tends to like underneath, very conspicuous and disguise a lot. Yeah. And of course, you know why them call it duck plant? Because it's shaped like a duck. It's another pretty one right here. Yeah. Underneath. So we're gonna get a couple more. Watch there. You see that? Look at that. Underneath. Yeah man, them hiding underneath. Duck plant. Yeah. Heal thyself 101. Yeah man, we're up on the hunt man. See it there? Duck flower. See duck flower. The thing real. See, so this way I go bite and chop and eat. You know, they say this because shit out your tripe and another joke. See, people vomit when they eat this. See, and so when you talk about a laxative, diuretic, you talk about serious moving the gunk and the toxins out of the colon, the 10 pound, the 15 pound, this is it. So the people, guess what? We have Guinea in here. See, the whole heap of duck flower. Pretty all over the place. See, Virgin I tell me say blood waste. We can't get only for herbs. I might talk. People will love it. Rain a come, we're gonna pick some more of this duck plant. This is Yaya Heal Thyself 101. We're in the bush. And that's how we're there. In the bush, we're not touch. Yes, people. Listen me. This is Yaya Heal Thyself 101. Look on Guinea. So, but me come for the corkscrew, the mandrakes, you know, that is another herb we put in the colon cleanse. And we found we found what we found we find Guinean. See, this is all Guinean people. See, you know about the Guinean. Well, only part why I show you about see and the Guinean. So look what the skelly and pangrong, all that. See, Saint Elizabeth were there, you know. Look, alright. Look, pan. What them here? Duck plants, duck flower. Rain a come, but them say look out for the wasp them too. Look out for the wasp them. But people, the thing is real, the thing is live. Yeah. Heal thyself for no one with up on the hunt. As you can see, them burn the place, they burn up. No, it was a lot here, but I still managed to see a couple. I can see this is one, this is another. See the seeds? Yeah, the seeds is highly nutritional too and beneficial. I look underneath here, see another one. So you see why you call it duck plant. Yeah man, yeah. Heal thyself 101. We go on the hunting for these things. See, I never find the corkscrew. See, the person who get me the corkscrew, the mandrakes, you know, she got a funeral, but hey, we find the duck plant today. And we're gonna take some duck plant and we're gonna bring it. We're gonna bring it back to the factory and we're gonna put it in the medicine. We're gonna dry some and, you know, yeah man, something. Heal thyself. See some baby duck. So guess what? I just stop at a place and I'm looking at some duck plant. See? They burn, as you can see, they burn the place up. But see there, duck plant. Folks, duck plant. Me know when I hear about this duck plant for all these years and thing, but hey, a lot of people when them take it, them vomit out, them tripe and shit out everything in them intestine. And that's what we talk about. Detoxification. We want people to empty the intestine, the large intestine, empty the colon because there's a lot of trap feces in the colon. And a lot of time people walking around with 10 pounds in them belly. And guess what? This cause issues on their spine. And they're thinking that, all right, they're having backache and inflammation causing by all these other things, but it's just feces heavying down the body, too much feces resting on the spinal cord. So this is why we are here. So we're gonna wait and see how much duck plant we get for the day. Plus I got some more because I even the seeds that see there are some Guinean I got today. And I've actually on the way up I got me some corkscrew. So the day was great. We had an event. today, and we never get to go at the event because the rain. I was wondering about the rain, but nevertheless, okay. So on the scale, it looked like 2.5 pound a duck plant, duck flower. That is heavy in this time. So weekend again, we're on the herb hunting. We give thanks, man. Greetings. Yeah, man. This is Yaya L on the journey. Heal thyself, 101, the herb journey. It's a pleasure to bring you along this wonderful journey. So today was the journey with the duck plant or the duck flower, and trust me, some know say things mystical because the rain cease entirely around I and I. And this is no joke. About an hour, remember I'm telling you, say, yo, the rain a come, let me hurry up. See, and in about an hour it took me to deal with this much. Look at it. Duck flower. See, in about an hour it took me, probably a little bit more, but when I finish, because my son 7 was like, yo, daddy, come now. And I finally moved. The rain started to fall, and trust me, the rain was falling all along, right around me. See, right around me was dry. So we give thanks to the energy and the powers. But it show you when your ancestors, them and the gods, them a work with you, them a work with you. But it's a pleasure. So I had other plans today, but hey, we give thanks, man. This is the highest plan. We find some dog plant. And guess what? It's a lot. This look like, if I should wear this, probably about, it's more than 5 pound a duck plant, duck flower. See that? Yeah, heal thyself 101. That we are saying. Healing is in the herbs, and the herbs is the healing. So we give thanks for the duck plant, for the duck flower today. Today is a wonderful day. Peace and wellness. This is Yaya L again. Heal thyself 101. We're on the journey. Folks, a while ago, I'm telling you, I couldn't even bring you on this. I couldn't even bring you in on the tree. I had to climb the tree because, today, as I say, it's cleaning time and we want to. I'm in St. Elizabeth, by the way. See, so I left from Manchester, come to St. Elizabeth because I came to get some corkscrew and some duck plant because I have a little spot down here where I know where they at, But I had to climb the tree a while ago, and trust me, listen me, years I haven't been up in a tree, especially after my accident. But as I say, the duck plant was at the top of the Neesberry tree. My son 7, he didn't want to come and film it, but I couldn't bring the phone up there. But guess what? Lucky for you, today I found some more because there's a lot around here. Man, the roots of the dandelion. You look at it, it looks, you have the vein, the vessel, the blood vessels, the arteries. It's no different from what the human construct basically is made up of. As above, so below, as within, so out. So we have to make the link with nature and see us as one and a relationship with the herbs, the trees, everything around us. Therefore, we wouldn't do things to harm anything or anyone to speak. And this is what we're talking about. Yaya's Heal Thyself 101. We don't have to eat the animal. Look at this. We're having the pear leaf. And you're amazed what the pear leaf is good for. And it tastes like the avocado, really and truly. So as above, so below, as within, so is out. These trees, they're not about just their fruit alone. So what I'm telling you in this short moment is that there is no the illusion of famine, of scarcity. It's not real. Everything here can be eaten. This right here, even if you don't eat it raw, you can steam it. It is food, it's nutritious. The same thing you get in the avocado, you're getting in the leaf. Yeah, heal thyself 101. All right, folks. Going through the garden. This tree here is another wonderful fruit. This is rare. Yeah, man. It's a fruit that we call it governor plum. I have a big one over there as well. Governor's plum is another fruit out of the country, out of the continent of Africa. Pranganut coming, passion, avocado. I don't know what's wrong with them, but hey, in due season, they will come. I have a lot of citrus tree about the place. We have some of the most nicest guava in the garden. I'm talking about big like us, grapefruit. Yes, this is another tree, the custard apple. Man, we have mustard leek. So I was talking about how important it is. This is the pear. See, this is a young pear leaf, and so again, even we can edible. That's what we're talking about. But it's good to look at the colors. That's what I'm talking about. Nature. See, this is when they're most potent. This is when they have the most medicinal component in it. And the pear seed, we can talk about that later, but this is one of my main ingredients and one of my number one disease reverse in medicine, the pear seed.
Get yours today at JamaicaHealthBox.com or call us at 9293-140-106. That number again is 9293-140-106. Email us at info@JamaicaHealthBox.com.